my life should be an encouragement to other writers. I did not plan to have a writing career. I was terrified at the thought of trying to publish because of the rejection that was surely coming. And look what's happened. I mean, this is amazing. I'm sitting in this room with 2,000 people who are excited about my books. And I get to hang out with a rock star backstage. So if that doesn't encourage you, I don't know what will.
When is Midnight Sun going to be published?
Okay, I picked this one because I want you all to know that this may not happen right away. I have for the past 3 years been under deadlines. It's been rough. So I'm planning on sort of taking my time and writing when the spirit strikes. Now, it could mean that won't take very long at all. I wrote Twilight very quickly, but I don't want to make any promises. So I can't give exact dates on this, but when I have a workable rough draft and I have a better sense of how long, because the editing process is fairly standard, I'll be able to let you know when that's going to be.
Laura from Vancouver, Canada, has a bit of a long one, another one about the host. In The Host, when Kyle found Sonny Jody, why did he not feel the hatred and resentment that Jared had felt towards Wanda?
See, that was just this really great specific host quote. That makes sense. The reason is because he knew Wanda, and even though he reacted pretty negatively to her himself, it let him view Sonny in a whole different perspective. And so he wasn't able to have that negative reaction because once you've been hanging out around his soul, it's kind of hard to see them in the same way.
Jen W. from Canada asks, what kind of Ferrari does Bella drive?
Such an easy answer. I wish all questions were that easy because really, can you drive anything other than an F430? Is there another Ferrari? I'm not aware of. And it's red, just in case.
Another one from up north, Vancouver, BC. If the werewolves stay werewolves for as long as there's danger, when they're around vampires, will Jake remain a werewolf forever?
It's not exactly the way it works. It's the vampires being around that triggers the change, but after that, as long as they phase into a werewolf fairly frequently, I don't know, a couple times a month, then they don't age. They have to stop phasing completely for the aging to pick up again. So Jacob's pretty much good to go. He will not age.
This one comes from Salem, Oregon, Takara, and Takara, I'm not even going to try to pronounce your last name, I apologize. Why did you decide against having a bloodbath battle at the end of Breaking Dawn? She says, don't get me wrong, I'm glad everyone lived and had a happy ending, but there was so much built for the Volturi confrontation.
Right. This was something that I always knew was going to be that way, and I did try to put a few clues into the manuscript. The mention of the Merchant of Venice was deliberate to foreshadow a battle of the minds rather than a physical battle. I don't think I have it in me to write the Hamlet ending, where like everything's bodies and there's one guy you don't know is standing there giving a monologue about how tragic it all was. That is so not me. And I knew that if the fight really got started, that there were not going to be very many people left standing on either side. And that, I wanted to win. I wanted a clear-cut win, and this was the way to do that.
Jane and Alex special in their human lives to warrant such superbly powerful vampire talents?
It's kind of a fun question. Okay, this one's, let's see, I'll try not to get too involved. So, Alec and Jane really, for all intents and purposes, in the Twilight universe would be considered witches when they were human. If you made Jane angry with you, even as a small child, bad things happened. It got more defined though. Errol was aware of the twins. He was very interested in acquiring them. So imagine his disapproval when the villagers decided to burn them at the stake. He interrupted that, and the village was no more. The being burned at the stake part sort of focused both their talents. Alec became all about no pain. That's where he was focusing. Whereas Jane learned to inflict that pain on others. So that's really how their talents developed. They were talented before when they were human.
This one comes